every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So we are going to the beach, going to house shop, not to swim because there's crocodiles in the water.
Ela chupa minha língua, isso é delícia. Ai, ai, ui que maravilha. Ai, ui, mas que gostoso. Ela chupa minha língua, isso é delícia. Vem com o chefe, vem com o chefe, vem com o chefe, vem com o chefe.
Today's Taco Tuesday. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But yeah, today's Taco Tuesday. What kind of drink you want? Want to get like a big drink, like a signature drink, or
get that.
or margarita's good.
It's my rum, no?
Is it margaritas like? Are margaritas like what you should have like salt around there?
Nah, that's tequila shot.
That's margarita. This is a margarita.
No, I think.
Okay, I have a question. So you see the mega margarita? How big is it?
The signature margarita.
Comes my big straw. I can get lime strawberry on it. It's good.
Is that the margarita thing that has like salt around the rim or something like that?
Yeah, but the mega margarita don't come with salt.
Is it?
Take a container and put some salt in it.
No, I want salt. I'm just asking, like, does it taste like what does it taste like?
Yeah, but it depends on the flavor of the food. So like tequila, triple sage, and lime juice. Plus, it's just good.
Can I get one?
What, the mega you want?
No, the signature.
Just the regular
With an
one.
extra shot tequila?
But you want salt on it? Or
No.
No salt?
And then, can I get a?
What flavor is it?
What flavors do you have?
Lime strawberry.
Can I get
Mango.
strawberry with extra sugar?
And then can I get? Do you guys have the watermelon sour? I want you to try it. It tastes so bomb. Okay, and can I get a sour? How's the Taco Tuesday work again?
Actually, the taco is shrimp.
Okay.
Can I get my two soaps to start off? Crunchy. One spicy and one what was that outfit? Pico what?
Pico de gallo. It's like
I think I just both spicy.
okay, can I get the nacho supreme and two taco sauce? I want beef with spicy.
Vem com o chefe, 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 vem com o chefe. Ai, ai, ui que maravilha. Ai, ui, mas que gostoso. Ela chupa minha língua, isso é delícia. Ai, ai, ui que maravilha. Ai, ui, mas que gostoso. Ela chupa minha língua, isso é delícia. Vem com o chefe, vem com o chefe.
Are we just vlogging?
I ordered 2 tacos and Nick's are all saving with us and a drink. I wonder if you put an extra tequila shot in mine. But
You know? Okay, so I got a soft taco and I got nachos, but they're on the way. I got 2 soft tacos because it's Taco Tuesday, so tacos are $300. However, it stays still. So save that comment for someone else, okay? You have your own opinions, just don't do it on this channel, on these channels, okay? I know I eat ugly and messy. At the end of the day, as humans, we're always gonna have an opinion on something. So, I was tired. Even though I'm so skinny, I love food. This is for you, Durette. Durette's been wanting me to do a mukbang for so long.
Durette.
My auntie has been wanting me to do a mukbang for so long, but Cheyenne refuses to do it with me because Cheyenne says I eat ugly and she hates watching me chew, whatever. So she doesn't want to do it with me.
JP, her nephew, this man literally dances when he eats. He said just dances the whole time.
Only Caribbean people dancing to eat.
When my mom says come for food, JP, this kid's dancing on his way going over. He loves food. But to be honest, I think it's just like a genetic thing. Actually, not genetic. Once someone cooks good, you're always gonna eat it. Like even like my mom can cook, right? Like even with my ex, he used to just want like also like my mom and him is still like this, which is fucking annoying. They're like that, and it's kind of annoying. But he used to love going up to my mom's house just for food, and she used to just cook for him. Like she'd be like,
I remember seeing you post snaps to make the fish.
yeah, just for him. Like what the hell?
Good mother-in-law. So niggas and mother-in-law, like when they have a good mother-in-law, they always want to be talking back to, like, if me and you are done, don't talk to my mom.
No, when I say that like this, like that day I was in my mom's phone looking. I was on Boston, but I was looking for my sister's number. We got in a fight, and I just blocked her. But anyways, I seen his message, and it was like this morning, so I was like, what the hell's going on? And I've been going through all of them talking about I love you. And he's like, yeah, I love you too, I appreciate you. I was like, no, I don't want to hear it.
I don't want to hear
I don't want to. I don't know, I feel like right now, and I feel like we're in a stage of our life. You're talking about that? I feel like we're in a stage of our life, in my life right now, that I need to be able to be alone. You know what I'm saying?
I've never been alone.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, from I started dating, I always been in like serious relationship.
Been serious. Same. But it's mostly him. It was always like a next one, then I'll go back to him, and like a next one.
No, I don't believe in going back. Listen, I'm the type of person, 3 strikes, they're out, okay? And when I say I'm done, I'm done, okay? There's no going back and forth. There's no I miss you. When I'm done, I don't look back. There's no going back to my ex. You're my ex for a reason. Give someone else a chance now.
What's love got to do with it? But sometimes you just have that connection to that person, you know? What is this? This is black beans?
Yeah. It tastes so good. Taste it. Open up your palate to new things. Okay?
I do.
You eat idle food.
Idol?
Idle.
Idol?
Eat idle Rasta man food, okay?
I want to marry a Rasta man too.
So she loves Rasta man. If you're brown skin, if you're light skin and a Rasta, this girl right here is ready for you, okay? She me like black man, or like dark skin man.
Man, because I don't like dark skin man, because it's not like I
father
don't
with dark skin?
probably have daddy issues, but not like I don't like them. It's just like it's mostly brown guys that approach me. I'm not even lying, it's literally mostly brown guys that come to me.
I love black guys. Worse, I'm black myself.
I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with black guys.
There's nothing wrong with black guys, I'm saying. But man, black, your skin's black and your teeth are pretty. And, you know, you're funny. Hi. What's good? My name's India. Who are you?
That's so nasty.
So, I told you guys we were supposed to go to the beach today. That was a lie.
It wasn't a lie, but the person that was supposed to come bring us to the beach flopped.
We're moving Wasi.
They didn't really flop, but like me and Jaleesa's the type of person, if you have asked him more than once to come do something, not to come do, but if you offer, you take too long, I'm just gonna like, no, other plans, I don't need you, go away.
Bye.
Like I'm the type of person that like I get annoyed so easily. Then God just answered my prayer with a brown skin Rastaman.
He's not even brown skin and he's ugly.
You can't even see him.
Yes, I can. I have better eyesight than you.
Anyway, so we went to
I have better eyesight than you. From them brown and good dreads, she don't care. That man's
No,
ugly.
it's not even that. I'm trying to see his face.
Exactly, I can see.
No one's ugly, you know. We're all beautiful in
Okay,
Jesus'
it's not my,
eyes.
it's not my cup of tea.
We're all beautiful in Jesus' eyes.
It's not my cup of tea.
But then again, we have two different cup of tea. So, Lisa, how you
Okay.
like?
Well, I like mint
then
tea.
again,
She
she
likes
knows-
Cersei.
So raise a glass to a time when
Cause
But then
that's
again, she
Cersei
knows-
right there.
She knows my cup of tea. So I can't see far distance. A lot of people don't know this, but me and my sister, like on my mom's side, we have like this oval eye thing, and we can't really see far. Yeah, we have like football eyes. So basically, we can't see far distance. So Shulu, Lisa, Twitch.
Shulu wears glasses.
Shulu wears hers because Shulu likes to see what's going on, but Lisa will hide and do it. My mom will hide and wear glasses. And me, I wear my glasses up inside the house. Inside the house.
You're eating the sauce?
Yeah.
Stop. It's not good for you, Aaliyah. You will get high blood pressure. Well, that shit runs in my mom's side of the family. What runs in our dad's side of the family? Process.
It make me go my head top. Like just do slack
Magnum
me
is
from
so
the dance.
nasty.
And you know one of my dances I really don't dance. Like I'll do my 1, 2, 2 rock, but I'm not really dancing. Oh, we talking about mirrors. Quick, repeat that part. Supermodel. A supermodel.
Supermodel.
A supermodel. A supermodel. Oh, everyone have been asking I'm 5'6".
Everyone's asking, I'm 5'8".
You're 5'8"? Shoe are the same height. Yeah, I'm 5'6". I don't know if people thought I was shorter than that. I'm 5'6", calm down. I think right now would be a better time to take a picture now. The lighting's better over there.
Yeah.
Oh, our server name is Owen.
Thank you, Owen.
So I'm gonna have to tip him because he knows they're out here trying to make their local money.
This is my bill. Well, our bill's like, wow, my bill's like a whole bunch bigger than hers. Okay, oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna set a timer and see how long to take the drinks in. Okay, stopwatch. 0, 0. Okay, ready?
Let me do it.
I'm gonna hold it. Hold on. Okay, yeah, press it.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Are you even drinking? Now, one just chug it.
I'm getting brain freeze.
This is more than 10 seconds. Look at her. She's not doing very good. It's gonna take like a minute to drink it. There's still more.
It's done.
No, there's still more.
Only on PowerHits.com.
Done. 32.
32 seconds.
32 seconds.
I could do it faster, but brain freeze.
But anyway, so right now we're done at, yeah, we're not piggy right now. We're in cat?
Yeah.
Cat.
Big money pocket everywhere we go.
How much did your bill come up to?
28. Owen. That's your name, right? There you go. No money back. Okay, yeah, let's go. So right now we're going on the road, huh? Oh, we're gonna take some pictures and then.
Golden hour, look at that. So
Oh, it is golden hours. Come take a picture.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.